Hello! Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing a very short video, an unboxing video of one of my toy figure na dumating lang today. So most of my toy figures is nasa Cavite, so right now I'm in Mandaluyong, so kaya i-unbox ko lang yung isa sa mga toy na dumating. So this will be very short, but I assure you this is gonna be exciting because I was really excited nung dumating tong toy figure na to, and yung iba niya mga kapatid nandoon sa Cavite, so hope you gonna wait for the unboxing video then of those toy figures. But for now, let's get into it. Welcome to the Buboy Show.
Oh, welcome and hi again. Welcome to my vlog and welcome to my channel.
Chideng! So, ito na yung toy. Ito na yung toy figure. This is actually Ichiban Kuji A Bleach 2.0 at Bleach 20th Anniversary Stealing Souls Volume 1. So, this is Ichigo Kurosaki, the main protagonist of Bleach. And I got this, yung A, meron na rin ako ng last one, and then yung yung B and C, but they're in Cavite. Pero for now, ito yung dumating. So, unahin ko na muna siyang i-unbox. So, this, in fairness doon sa napagbilan ko ng toy, ang ganda ng pagkaka-seal niya. Very safe yung toy kasi may bubble wrap. Ayan. Okay. So, well, pwede ko naman sirain yung bubble wrap. Huwag lang yung box. Okay. So sealed pa siya. I think ito ay galing din ng Japan kasi most of ng mga seller din dito sa Pinas, kumukuha lang din sila ng supplier nila from Japan. So, and usually kapag galing Japan, may option ka kung gusto mo ng tupi box, tapon clam, ganyan, mas mura yon. Pero kapag kasama yung box, syempre mas malaki yung space na makakain niya din sa shipping. So, mas mahal siya. Okay. Oh, ang kinis ng box. Makinis. So, ito yung front niya. So, si Ichigo, actually yung sa last one niya is yung meron lang siyang mask dito. That's the only difference. So, kitang-kita naman, sealed. So, never been opened. So, tayo ang first owner. So, okay, so may clamp pa siya. Okay. Super nice. So I think this is 27 and 728 centimeter. Yeah. Okay. Guwapo. Super guwapo. Ang laki ng foot stand niya. Super laki. Okay. This one is... Hey! Okay. And now, let's reveal Ichigo. Oh! Super guwapo. Look at the detail. Right. So, yan. Yeah, mas malaki pa siya sa mukha ko. But, look at the details. Yay! And, of course, this will be the foot stand. Well, feet stand na siya. Dalawa na yung ano niya. Super. Look at that. Look at the sole. And, syempre, ako favorite ko to. Naamoy ko. May bago. So, ito na ang ating si Ichigo, and I can't wait to unbox yung mga kasama niya sa line na to. Also, the last one, because yun yung merong mask, si Ichigo. Look at his eyes. Rawr.